Hello everyone, this is my Crankbrothers Eggbeater Model 3. As you can see, this one have refresh kit and new coil or spring, and this one is still old and not good. It is one season, about 10,000 kilometers. This tool you get in the refresh kit, so you don't have to worry. Don't be gentle. There's no need for some kind of force. It's going easy. Okay, now we did everything. It's empty. You see how big movement we have. Okay, you can use this to prevent damage when you take it with a tool real hard. This this, and that's it. This is it. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is a little problem. Put everything as should be, but so you have to use a little bit of force. You can leave it this one inside to prevent damage. Just it's 10. It's not that simple. First one. Okay. Now we have to go this one. Oh, this is it. I think we did it, so let's try. Yes, it is good. Okay, this is it. Put it out. Now let's check in. movement, really nice. I need new set. You will see that this end and this end are different, so this one go first. Number 10 and goes like this. Okay, and it's a little bit bigger. This one goes like this, and it's a little bit smaller. And okay, okay, we did it. Oh, too many grease left outside of bearing, and I don't like it. Okay, now we can go through. Okay, and I hope it will do it longer than the first one. There are scratch, but I don't care. As long it spin good, and it's really spin normal, it's okay. Everything is okay. Thank you for watching.